We are now on page 224 in our science book. We are going to label it Quiz 9B. On page 225 of your science book, you'll be labeling it Quiz 9B. On page 226, you're going to label it Quiz 9B. And on page 227, you're going to label it Quiz 9B. And that is the end for Quiz 9B. So going back to page 224, we're going to be going over the highlighted sections in your book. You should have already read your pages yesterday. And so now we're going back and we're going to highlight our important information. The first that we have is pitch. Pitch is how high or low a sound is. The pitch of a sound is related to its frequency. Go ahead and highlight that. Then if you look on this column, you'll highlight right here in the upper part, it says a slowly vibrating object has a low frequency. This produces a low pitch. Go ahead and highlight that. We are on page 224 and we are marking our highlights. Then if you turn page 225, nothing is highlighted. Page 226, we are going to highlight on this page. The very beginning says volume is how loud or soft a sound is. A greater energy or intensity will produce larger vibrations. Large vibrations make louder sounds than smaller vibrations do. We need to highlight those sections. Then down here, the first sentence of the last paragraph says the intensity of a sound is measured in decibels. Then if you look on page 227, here's the highlights for this page. Let's see if we can move it over a little bit more. There you go. We have the human ear can be damaged by too many large, loud vibrations. That's our first sentence on top of the page. Then we have the timbre is the quality of a sound that distinguishes it from other sounds of the same pitch and volume. Last sentence. They all play the same pitch, but the timbre of each instrument is unique. And then your first sentence is most of the sounds that we hear are a blend of several waves. All right, and that's all that we have highlighted for Quiz 9B.